say something. You're gobsmacked. You don't want to say anymore. Okay, so I'm going to take the blame if this doesn't work, because I've done the pairing up. Okay? So you're going to have to stay with me. But I think I got it right. And all I need for my experiment to work is for you to find someone you want to continue seeing back home. So, Justina?
Yes.
Kevin.
Hello, Kevin.
There you go. That's it. That's what I like, Kevin. Go. That's it.
He's not my usual type, but there's something about him. I think cooking can be a very powerful way of meeting your future somebody.
Tom, I'm going to stay away from you. Tom, you got Chloe?
Nice to meet you, Tom. Let's hug it out.
I've been single about 2 and a bit years. I would describe myself as quite a gentle soul in general. I can be quite quiet when I'm nervous.
Andy, it's Kia.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Kia, I would say he is my type. First thing I noticed was his eyes and the smile. If potentially something happens in happy days.
Remember, you are in Italy. I want to see cuddles and kisses.
Oh, more cuddles.
Yeah, go. No, it's never enough. It's never enough.
Get a room.
Can I tell you just the rules on my cookery school? There is no rules.
Oh.
We do not tell people off if they kiss each other. You're not going to get suspended if we find you behind a tree do something. This is the only school where you can do whatever you want. Okay? You go 4 days together, and hopefully some of you will find a spark. Please, the only one thing, do not fall in love with the teacher. Okay, so it's only amongst yourself. Okay?
Yes.
Ready to cook?
Yes.
Come on, come here. So the first demonstration is all about cooking for 2 people, cooking for a pair. We are going to make fettuccine with a white ragu. We make with minced pork. It's amazing.
I don't eat meat, Gino.
Chloe, don't worry about it. You don't have to use the meat. Okay, so we go minced pork, we go our mascarpone, defrosted peas, a little bit of pecorino cheese. Just be careful the way you pronounce it, because pecorino with an O is the cheese. If you put an A at the end and you call it pecorina, that means get closer. That means doggy style in Italian. And if you ask for pecorina in Italy, you will get it. Okay, so what we're doing, I'm going to put a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, and then we're going to put the onions, and that's the base. Now, with rosemary is one of those herbs which is fantastic to fry it at the beginning, so it releases the flavor. Rosemary can take the heat. So in there, we're going to put the minced pork. Now, for the pasta, 300 grams of flour. Then in there, we are going to crack in 3 eggs. Andy, do you cook?
I do. Mainly Asian, some Spanish, not too much Italian yet.
Kia, can you cook Italian food?
I can make a lasagna, not with fresh sauce, or with fresh pasta.
Okay.
I can
Not with
warm
fresh
it.
sauce and with fresh pasta, yeah? So a frozen lasagna that you get. Once the flour starts to absorb the egg slowly, you need to get your fingers in there and do it together. You can pretend that you are in the movie, you know, Ghost. There we're going to add the mascarpone now. Now we need to deal with the pasta.
I'm just intrigued to see how you're going to cut this in equal,
See what I'm doing
equal
here?
parts of pasta, you know?
Equal?
Yes.
Nobody said equal.
No. Equal.
We are in Italy, we don't do anything equal. We do things, as we say in Italian, very willy-nilly. To do the fettuccine, more or less, this is the size. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at that.
And that's how you do it. Okay, pasta goes straight in there. And then the last 30 seconds, we get the pasta and the sauce together. Like that. So each strand of pasta absorbs the flavor of the sauce. And the last ingredients we're going to add is truffle oil. Just drizzle on top. I want you to add 1 ingredient on top of my recipe. Not literally on top. I don't want to see a tomato on top of my pasta. 1 ingredient that you think is going to work. Bear in mind that this is my grandmother's recipe. Okay? All clear? Yes. Fantastic. Let's do it. Back to the station and let's cook up some love. Come on, come on.
Come on, Tom.
Do it.
Well, welcome to the new students, Mark, Matt, Alison. Justina, are you happy?
Too many cooks can spoil the dish.
Fair point.
But it depends the ingredients, though, darling.
No, it depends on the cooker.
Okay,
The
look.
gloves are off now. The apron's on. I'm here to get my man.
Kevin, I wish you the best of luck, my friend. So today, I'm going to show you a recipe that is excellent if you go on a date. Because that dish you're going to create, you're going to eat it on a date tonight as a threesome.
Oh my God.
We're going to do ravioli, which is filled pasta. I'm going to do a beautiful ravioli with ricotta cheese, spinach, nutmeg, an Italian classic. But you can fill your ravioli with whatever you want. So together, make the choice of what is going to be in the filling. I've already done my dough, and you just put your pasta in there. And tend to use the back of your hands when you roll pasta. Don't use the palm, because those are the hot part of your hands. Then you get your filling. You want to leave about 4 fingers between one filling and the other. Now the top goes on top of the filling, yeah? Guys, what are you thinking? What kind of filling you think you should have put in there?
I want meat in mine.
She's a veggie.
Did you just say I want meat in mine? Vegetarian.
Could we decide on I want to make a certain flavour, Justina wants to make a certain flavour, and then Kevin can help us and he can decide which one is the best between us?
Well, I don't think Kevin is there to decide who is the best on making ravioli. I would not want to be in your shoes right now.
I know.
Okay, guys. Okay, the pasta, slowly, is going to go into the water. This will take about a couple of minutes, no more than that. Okay, guys, I'm going to go for my sauce, which is butter and then sage leaves. Get the pasta straight into the sauce. And I think this is perfect for a date also because it looks beautiful. Remember, it's 50% cooking and 50% love. There you have it. Ravioli, ricotta and spinaci in butter and sage sauce. Simple as that. Are you ready? Yeah. All right, let's cooking up some love. Back to the stations.